Hi, you're watching the news with me, I'm Dipavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 9. President Ramnath Kovind addressed the nation on the eve of the 73rd Independence Day. He talked about the developments in Jammu and Kashmir, assuring the people that the reorganization of the state and the revocation of special status were in the best interests of the people. Some restrictions will be in place in Kashmir on account of Independence Day. Jammu and Kashmir Additional Director General of Police Munir Khan assured that the valley is prepared to celebrate Independence Day peacefully and fearlessly. The governor, meanwhile, responding to Rahul Gandhi taking up his offer to visit Kashmir, said that he would need to delay the tour, as for now all efforts are directed at the peaceful conduction of Independence Day. Indian Air Force's Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman will be conferred with the Veer Chakra on Independence Day. Abhinandan Varthaman became the face of the military confrontation between India and Pakistan in February this year. He has cleared all medical tests now and is ready to resume his duties soon. A Rajasthan court has acquitted all 6 accused in the Pehlu Khan mob lynching case. The defence argued that the video filmed of the mob lynching incident was not permissible as evidence, as the CD of the purported crime was not sent for forensic analysis. It has been 2 years since the incident on the Delhi-Alwar highway where Pehlu Khan was killed for allegedly smuggling cattle. Rahul Gandhi has written to the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das seeking relief for Kerala farmers in the backdrop of devastating floods in the state. He requested the RBI Governor to extend the moratorium on repayment of loans by farmers to December 31st, 2019. He also reminded Das of the floods that ravaged Kerala last year as well. Deity Ramlala Virajman's counsel is arguing for his side in the top court on day 6 of the Ayodhya land dispute case hearing. Senior advocate C.S. Vaidyanathan said that various European travellers have an account of the building of a Ram temple in Ayodhya. He also argued that on a question of belief, the court should not seek rationality. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.